Millions of years ago, a tiny, tree-dwelling creature scurried through ancient forests, and from that humble beginning, an entire order of animals would emerge. Today, we follow the extraordinary journey of monkeys, how they evolved, spread across the globe, and became some of the most intelligent creatures on Earth after the mass extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Small mammals inherited the Earth. Among them were the first true primates, creatures like Purgatorius, no bigger than a squirrel. They have forward-facing eyes for depth perception and grasping hands perfect for life in the trees dated by 35 million years ago. The first true monkeys appeared in Africa. But here's where the story gets remarkable. Somehow, ancestral monkeys crossed the Atlantic Ocean on floating mats of vegetation, colonizing South America. This incredible journey gave rise to two distinct groups: Old World monkeys in Africa and Asia, and New World monkeys in the Americas. Old World monkeys thrived across Africa and Asia. Baboons adapted to open grasslands. Macaques conquered mountainous terrain, even covered in snow. And langurs became sacred in Hindu culture. What defines them? Narrow noses with downward-facing nostrils, and in many species, tough sitting pads called ischial in South America. Monkeys took a different evolutionary path. New World monkeys developed wider, flatter noses, and many evolved prehensile tails, a fifth limb they can use to grip branches. The howler monkey, the loudest land animal on Earth, and the spider monkey with its astonishing acrobatics. Evolution had found entirely new solutions in the Americas. One of the most astonishing chapters in monkey evolution is the rise of intelligence. Capuchin monkeys in Brazil use stone tools to crack open nuts, a behavior passed down through generations. In Japan, macaques learned to wash food in the sea, adding salt for flavor. These aren't instincts, they're learned cultural behaviors, a window into the origins of our own intelligence. Monkeys are deeply social animals. Complex hierarchies, alliances, grooming rituals, and even distinct alarm calls for different predators. Vervet monkeys have separate calls for eagles, snakes, and leopards. This social complexity drove the evolution of larger brains, a trend that would eventually lead to us today. Over 300 species of monkeys inhabit our planet, from the icy mountains of Japan to the steaming Congo Basin. But many face existential threats. Deforestation, habitat loss, and hunting have pushed dozens of species to the brink. The golden lion tamarin, the cotton-top tamarin, and the Miss Waldron's red colobus are just a few racing against extinction. When we look into the eyes of a monkey, we're looking at 65 million years of evolution, a cousin whose story is deeply intertwined with our own. From the first primate in the Paleocene forest, to the tool-using capuchins of Brazil, to the snow monkeys of Japan, the evolution of monkeys is one of nature's greatest stories. And it's still being written.